Those Winter Sundays by Robert Hayden. Sundays, too, my father got up early and put his clothes on in the blue-black cold. Then, with cracked hands that ached from labor in the weekday weather, made banked fires blaze. No one ever thanked him. So notice we have Sundays, too, kind of an abrupt way of saying that. Then if you look underlined in the fuchsia, that seems to kind of go on and on and on. Let's reread that stanza and wonder what Robert Hayden is trying to tell us. Sundays, too, my father got up early and put his clothes on in the blue-black cold. Then with cracked hands that ached from labor in the weekday weather, made banked fires blaze. No one ever thanked him. No one ever thanked him is also kind of abrupt. I'd wake and hear the cold, splintering, breaking. Where the rooms were warm, he'd call, and slowly I would rise and dress, fearing the chronic angers of that house. So if the house is angry, that's one of our literary devices. Let's think, what would make the house angry? Let's read it again. I'd wake and hear the cold splintering breaking. When the rooms were warm, he'd call, and slowly I would rise and dress, fearing the chronic angers of that house. Speaking indifferently to him, like as if it didn't matter, who had driven out the cold and polished my good shoes as well. What did I know? What did I know of love's austere and lonely offices? Think about what's in yellow. What do you think this poet is reflecting upon? How do you think this poet feels now? Because it seems like he's flashbacking and looking back. Let's look at this stanza once more. Speaking indifferently to him, who had driven out the cold and polished my good shoes as well. What did I know? What did I know of love's austere and lonely offices?